Welcome all. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can set up the Git and GitHub on your machine. So first of all, start with GitHub installation. So step one is that you have to go to the http://github.com and then you have to click on this sign up button here. Okay. Now after that, when you click on sign up button, this screen will be appear to you and where you have to enter the email. Okay. So here just put the valid email because you will get a verification code on that mail. So it should be a valid email. And after that, you can click on continue and then you have to create a password for that. Okay. So you have to enter a password or this is password for your github.com. Okay. So after entering the password, you will click on the continue and it will ask for the username. So here you can choose a username and it will tell you that username is available or not. After that, you can click on the continue button, and after continue, it is going to ask you like you want to receive the product update. So you can simply select no here. Okay. Now after that, it will show you. You can say to verify your account, it will just ask a puzzle to you. So you have to click on the start puzzle, and it will show you the puzzle. And when you can say complete the puzzle, it will give you the option to create account. So you have to click on the create account, and when you will click on the create account, it will send a verification code to your email ID. Like I have shown you in my top right corner, this one. This is the email ID where which you have used for registration, and GitHub will send a verification code to you. So you have to copy that code from that email, and you have to enter here. After enter, you will come to this page, and here you have to select that how many team members will be working with you. So because you are using it for learning purpose, so I think you can click on the student option. Then you can just me, and then you can click on the student and continue. When you click on continue, you will get the options here. Like you can say it is giving the information, and then you can simply say that continue for free here. Okay. So now you can say when you click on continue for free, you will be automatically logged into your GitHub account here. Okay. And you will see the screen. It means your GitHub account is created here. So in this Git workflow, starting from remote, you have completed the GitHub part. That is the remote part. Now we will go with the Git installation, or you can say Git client. So in Git client, first of all, you have to open a command prompt, and in the command prompt, you have to check whether Git is already installed on your machine or not. So for that purpose, you have to run a command Git version here. So when you run the command Git version here, you will get a message whether you can see it is installed or not. So if it is not installed, then you will go to the website that is githcm.com download, and here you will get the option of Windows here. If you are installing the Git on your Windows, so click on that one, and it will take you this page where it will give the option for 32-bit Git for Windows or 64-bit. So usually people use the latest one, that is 64-bit. You can click on that. So after that, you will get this window, and it will start downloading the, you can say, GitHub exe file, like you are able to see on my uh, bottom left corner. So it is downloading exe file. When this file will be downloaded, you can go to the location where it is downloaded, and you will see that this is downloaded Git 2.35. So in your case, it will download the latest one. Now, simply you have to double click on it so that it is a exe file, so it will run. Okay. So after that, it will open a prompt for you. This one, like, do you want to run this file? Simply click on, you can say run button. So after that, it will show the option for this, you can say license. So you can simply click on next here. Okay. So after click on next, you will get the option that select the destination where you want to install this. So you can select the option, and you can change the path. Otherwise, it will show you the default path. See program files and GitHub. Then you click on the next, and when you click on next, it will show you this window where you can select the options. Like by default, you can say if you want to select that Windows Explore integration, Git Bash here, Git UI here. So here you can select. If you want, you can click the additional icon so that it will be click on the visible on the desktop also. So after that, you can click on the next one, and after next one, you can say select a different folder. You can say select the different folder. Otherwise, you can continue with the this default option. Now it will ask you the you can say editor, which is used by the Git. So to edit the file, so here you can select the option use Vim. The UBS text editor is Git default editor. You can use it, and then click on the next one. And here you can say the name of initial branch in the repository. So here you can again go for the let's Git decide with this option. Currently, you can say by default it is the master branch here. Okay, now click on next, and you will get the option here. You can go with the git the radio button, git from the command line or also from third party software. Okay, so you can this option. So it will the benefit of this one, you can run the git using the git bash as well as using your normal command prompt. Now after that, you can, when you click on next button, you will get this window, and here you have to select the open use the open SSL library here. After that, you will get this window when you click on next, and here you have to select the option checkout window style commit Unix style line endings, and then you have to click on the next one. After that, whenever you come to this page, you have to select use Windows default console window. Now again, you have to click on next one, and then you will get this into this window like default fast forward or merge. So you can select this option. Then after that, you can say it will ask for the credential manager or helper. So you can simply say none. When again, after clicking next, you will get this option that enable file system caching. You can go with this option. And after that, it will, these features are developed actively. Would you like to try them? So you can simply enable experiment built-in system editor only. Then click on install here. When you click on install here, it will start installing the, you can say Git client on your machine here. So when it will complete, you will able to see this window, and you will see that launch Git bash here. If you want to launch right now, you can click on the checkbox. Otherwise, you can simply click on the finish here. Now, when you click on it, you can see it will be completed. You will be able to see on your desktop, there is icon for Git bash. So now you can say this is icon, and if you can say if you want to, if you can use that Git bash for your running the command. Again, if you want, you can run it from the command prompt also. Now after this, you can do verify that whether okay from UI it is already installed. That's why you are able to see the icon. But you can check it from the command prompt whenever again you are going to run the command git version. This time you are able to see that it has showing the version git 2.35.0 here. Okay. So now after that, you can say you can start configuring main thing, that is the user. So whenever you are going to interact with the github.com, so everybody, you can say every member in your team, it can be a developer, it can be a tester, they have configured the git client on their local. So now they have to configure that what is the user for your local one. Okay, so here you can first of all run the command to configure the local git user, that is git config hyphen global user dot name, again your name like I've given here, Pradeep Nalwal. Then you are going to run the another command, that is git config global user dot email and your email, and it should be a valid email here. So after that, you can click on, and after that you can check whether your you can see user is created or not. So for checking this, you can run the command git config / hyphen global and lists. So when you run this command, you will see automatically it will show the details like it is showing here, Pradeep Nalwal and user dot name. Now you can say you can run all these commands using the command prompt, but if you want, you can git bash also. So you can see you have both options here. So like if you want to run the command using command prompt, you can use that. Otherwise, if you want to use the git bash, you can double click on it, and it will open this window. So it, you can say it is a specific window, just like you can say command prompt, but it is especially designed for, you can say, Git client only. So here you can say you can use any option like git bash or command prompt, whatever is best for you. And now we have completed this. After this, we are local part is also completed. So we have completed the remote part. Now we have completed the local part also. So now in the next video, we will see that how we can run the different type of commands from the Git client to the GitHub. So if you like the video, can click on the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, subscribe it. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you.